Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillahi wa ala alihi sahbihi ajmain. First and foremost, thank you, Mr. Umar, for the very kind introduction. When I was invited for this program, I was very happy to accept the invitation. It's really surprising. IELC has just started 1 year ago, and they have put such a tremendous program up over here. All the kids who came up over here, the skits sent out some very clear message. The first skit by the small kids, to take refuge in Allah from shaitan. Say, A'udhu billahi minash shaitan rajeem. The second skit, where the girls so very well spoke about backbiting and not to delay the salah. These are some of the messages that the kids have put in, and the effort that has been exerted by the teachers. Most of them, I think, families. Both the husband, the wife, are the people who are behind running these institutions. MashaAllah, may Allah bless you, all those who are behind running this effort. We have such madrasas functioning over here in Kuwait. Some of these are in regional languages. You have madrasa by the Kerala community, and some by the Urdu speaking community. And now of late, English speaking madrasas have come up. These madrasas have provided the families over here with the opportunity of getting their children educated. MashaAllah, this is something which is the need of the hour, as was well mentioned by a sister before me over here. As far as I am concerned, I would like to speak two sentences about Friday Forum. Friday Forum is an organization which hugely supports such ventures. We have, with the grace of Allah, been able to associate ourselves with IPC, the Islam Presentation Committee. And in coordination with the Ministry of Awqaf, we are able to distribute scholarship funds to poor students over here in Kuwait studying in the various Indian schools. Each year more than 100,000 KD is distributed through the Awqaf Ministry, and it's actually recommended by Friday Forum. Other venture that has been started by Friday Forum is the Camp Center. Camp Center is an educational center that's based in Darwaza. It imparts free educational educational activities over there. That's what's going on over there. Why I brought up this subject is, I noticed over here that there are about half a dozen of very active individuals, and there are better halves on this side, who have been working about to get this program done. And mashallah, it's been done very nicely. And who are behind running this IELC. Friday Forum 2 is an organization having very few active people. And once you have few active people committed and you have a goal, you can achieve very big targets. Here they have put up one of the projects that has been brought up over here is sponsoring the education of poor children back in India. Definitely that is something that needs to be considered in a very big manner. I would like the organizers to think one step ahead and think of starting up a school back in India. Nothing is impossible. Dream high. With the efforts that I have seen over here, I feel this organization, IELC, will in the time to come do great work. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless each and every member who has worked hard to put up the show over here, and may He bless IELC to impart proper and correct knowledge to our children. Thank you for inviting me over here. Jazakumullah khair.
I would like to now call upon Brother Azmat and Brother Muhammad Balik on stage to give a token of appreciation to Dr. Amir Ahmed.